is Sue. But she don't do like she's supposed to do. She's on the go all over town, and I'm her man Johnny, and I don't run around. Johnny don't run around. No, no, no. Johnny don't run around. Ask any girl in town. I'm just a guy who loves a girl named Sue. She runs around with every boy that's new, but all the girls know that I'll be true. No matter what she does to run around Sue. I saw her talking to a guy named Joe. The way she looked at him, well, I don't know. It makes me wonder if I ought to go now, but I believe her 'cause I love her so now. Johnny don't run around. No, no, no. Johnny don't run around. No. Johnny don't run around. Ask any girl in town. I know a lot of girls that I could call. I know a lot of girls that just might fall, but I will run around with baby's true when there's still a chance with a girl named Sue. Everybody says it's a crying shame. Poor Johnny plays the waiting game, but there's a chance a girl will move to town and try to get old Johnny to run around now.